Alrighty, the last four now. Okay, 8 quarts to pints. Okay, quarts to pints. So I'm going bigger to smaller, so I'm multiplying. Okay, bigger to smaller, I'm multiplying. Multiplying something with 8 because the 8 is right here. Okay, so how many pints are in 1 quart? That's what I need to know. How many pints are in 1 quart? Okay, go over here. How many pints are in 1 quart? I see 2 pints in 1 quart. This is why we wrote it down on the back of your page. Okay, 2 pints in 1 quart. Okay, so that means if I go 8 times 2, I'm going to get 16. Okay, 16. Again, if I want to do this on a chart, I could have quarts, pints, and I could say 1 quart has 2 pints, 2 has 4, 3 has 6, 4 has 8, 5 has 10, 6 is 12, 7 is 14, okay, and 8 has 16. Okay. 24, 5 gallon blank quarts. 5 gallons equals blank quarts. Okay, so I'm going bigger to smaller, so I am, say it with me, multiplying. Going bigger to smaller, so I'm multiplying. So I have 5 gallons. And how many quarts are in 1 gallon? Well, there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So 5 times 4 equals 20 quarts. Okay? 25. 20 cups equals blank pints. Here I'm going smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. So I need to erase some of this for you. Smaller to bigger. So that means I'm dividing. So I'm dividing something with 20. Okay? I don't know what yet though, right? So I'm dividing something with 20. And I need to know how many pints are in 1 cup. No, that doesn't make sense. But how many cups, because cups are smaller and can fit into my pints. So how many cups are in 1 pint? Well, if I go to my page, 2 cups are in 1 pint. You see it right up there on the top. Okay? 2 cups are in 1 pint. So, if I divide by 2, what this is now saying is I have 20 cups. If I break them up into groups of 2, which pints are cups in groups of 2? So I break them up into groups of 2, I'm going to have 10 pints. Okay? Now, 26, I will draw right up here for you. Okay? 26, 4 quarts in blank cups. Well, quarts are bigger than cups, so I'm going bigger to smaller. So I'm multiplying again. So 4 quarts, and how many cups are in 1 quart? How many cups are in 1 quart? Well, I see 4 cups are in 1 quart. 4 cups are in 1 quart. Okay? So if I go 4 times 4, I'm going to get 16. Okay? Now, if I wanted to do that in a graph, which I could graph all that out. Okay? If I graph that out, I could have quarts, and then I could also have cups. Okay? And I could say 4 cups in 1 quart. So 1 quart is 4 cups. 2 quarts is 8 cups. 3 quarts, 12 cups. 4 quarts, 16 cups. And we also know that there are 4 cups in 1 gallon, 4 quarts in 1 gallon, and there's 16 cups in 1 gallon. So all of this also equals 1 gallon. Okay? So, hopefully this makes sense for you. It's really important that you wrote down these marks on the back. Okay? 1 pint equals 2 cups, 1 quart equals 2 pints, which equals 4 cups. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, which equals 8 pints, which equals 16 cups. This is important for you. Okay? We might try to write it down tomorrow, I'm not sure, but this will definitely help you. Okay, good job. This was long, this was tough. I'm proud of you guys. Great work.